Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to add language on Duolingo. To add another language to learn on Duolingo app, you have to follow these simple steps. Now first thing first, you wanna go ahead and open up your application and log into your account. Once logged in from the home page, you could see your current learning language at the top left hand side corner of the screen. Since I'm learning Frankish, now next thing what I'm gonna do is to add a language. I'm gonna click on that particular flag. When I click on the flag, as you could see, this is gonna show me this page where I could go ahead and click on the plus button or the course option and then add a new one. Now click on that and you want to go ahead and select the language that you want to learn, and here you'll be starting your lesson from now onwards. So this way you could add language on Duolingo. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.